Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's going to make your head spin faster than a 3D flip. On the left, we have the Holystone HS440 foldable FPV drone, aka Holystone. And on the right, the HitTurbo drone with 1080p camera, or as I like to call it, HitTurbo. Buckle up because this is going to be a high-flying, hilarious ride. All right, let's talk about the first thing that hits you harder than a drone crash: price. The Holystone will set you back $129. Yep, that's right, folks, the price of a fancy dinner date, but without the awkward small talk. On the other hand, HitTurbo is a mere $79. That's like skipping the fancy dinner and going straight to the drive-thru. So if you're on a budget, HitTurbo might be the one to make your wallet say, thank you. Next up, let's zoom in on camera quality. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera. Holystone's camera is auto-adjustable within 90 degrees, perfect for those dramatic aerial shots at your family reunion. Reviewers mention the camera quality is decent for the price range, with some choppy streaming but good image quality. Meanwhile, HitTurbo's camera can be manually adjusted to see what's in front or below. Reviewers love that it's easy to use for capturing memories during outdoor activities. So whether you're spying on your neighbor's barbecue or inspecting your roof, HitTurbo's got you covered. But sorry folks, no auto adjust here. You'll need those manual skills. Now, let's talk airtime. Holystone offers a sweet 20 minutes of flight time. Reviewers say that's enough to capture your entire neighborhood's gossip from above. HitTurbo, on the other hand, comes with 2 batteries, each giving you 12 minutes, totaling up to 24 minutes. But remember, more flips and faster speeds will reduce the flight time. So if you're planning to show off your drone acrobatics, you might want to keep a charger handy. All right, beginner pilots, this one's for you. Holystone is packed with user-friendly features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and even one-key high-speed rotation. Reviewers find it easy to learn on and fun to fly, even mentioning its durability after multiple crashes. HitTurbo, however, is no slouch. With altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, and even voice control, it's like having a drone that listens to you, unlike your kids. Plus, it's super easy to operate, making it perfect for adults and kids alike. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and fun features, making it great for all ages. So if you're a newbie, both drones have your back, but HitTurbo might be slightly easier to handle. Let's check out how easy it is to carry these bad boys around. Holystone folds up neatly and comes with a carrying case. Reviewers love the durable case for storage, making it like having a drone that fits in your pocket. Well, maybe not your pocket, but you get the idea. HitTurbo doesn't mention a carrying case, so you might have to get creative. Maybe strap it to your head like a hat? Just kidding, folks. Don't try that at home. Based on Amazon reviews, both drones have their own strengths. Reviewers appreciate Holystone's durability, decent camera quality, and ease of use, making it a solid choice for beginners and those looking for a reliable drone. On the other hand, HitTurbo is praised for its budget-friendly price, user-friendly features, and overall fun experience, making it a great option for kids and adults alike. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Holystone HS440 foldable FPV drone and the HitTurbo drone with 1080p camera. Both are fantastic options, but the choice is yours. Do you want the advanced features and sleek portability of the Holystone, or the budget-friendly, beginner-friendly charm of the HitTurbo? Let us know in the comments below which one you'd pick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another smart buy. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.